room. Instead, she calmly wiped the sauce off her book, packed her soggy sandwich back in its bag, and walked out. She didn't say a single word. Jake was practically glowing from all the attention he got. The next morning, our principal's voice came over the intercom during first period. Jake Morrison, please report to the main office immediately. Jake strutted out like he was getting some award. Half the class was whispering about whether he was finally getting in trouble for the lunch incident. But when Jake didn't come back after an hour, people started getting nervous. Then during third period, 2 police officers walked into our classroom. They asked our teacher if they could speak with Caleb Torres and Ryan Webb. Both kids went pale and followed the officers out. By lunch, rumors were flying everywhere. Someone said Jake got arrested. Another kid claimed the police found drugs in his locker. But the real story came out when our computer teacher, Mr. Park, explained everything to us during